Do you feel the vibes?
Friendly hunter-killer deployed.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this. This is Fatal. Create a class, my custom class with my shotgun that everyone keeps asking me what attachment and what perks I have on it. Well, I have long barrel, adjustable stock, and laser sight. Don't ask me why I have laser sight on it. I also have tac mask, toughness, flak jacket, and ghost. Ooh, some people don't like ghost, I'll tell you that much. I don't really know what else. I mean, I have everything for it. So that's what I use. You guys could use this if you want. Me personally, I think it's the best shotgun class setup. I don't think you can go wrong with it. I mean, I do good. So, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this film. As soon as we'll be doing a prize giveaway when we reach 200 subscribers. And then, so, yeah. Help us reach there, guys. Subscribe, like it, share it, tell your friends to check us out. Alright. Hope you guys watch the rest of the video.
Kendrick, Lamar, look in the mirror and nothing's familiar, I stare. I look in the mirror and nothing's familiar, I dare. For you to say that you're familiar with characteristics I have. Mental is riding a big yellow cab, telling the driver to press on the gas. Yeah, let him till I get there. You can just love me or leave me alone. I'm warning you though, if you love me, you'll never go wrong. You can explore heavy feeling of breathing Mother Nature's air, feeling of knowing that I'm rather rare. But it's a reason for all of my madness, the gladdest I am that you're here.
This is how I show my love. Let my soul sail for I'm washed up. Gotta drop down, thank God above that I'm high enough to give the sky a touch. Maybe it's my ADD, I'm on the move like a real estate agency. Century 21, the 21st century, bear the birth of my history, there can only be one. This is how I show my love. Let my soul sail like you say eco. Sacrifice my life just to free the people, the Jesus equal. So many admire us cause they can't see through our irises. I got an eye for her, I got an eye for her, I got 3 eyes, I need 3 brides.